Welcome to JNM Creative. In this video, I'll be discussing MCQs on environmental studies. These are very selective and important questions for all competitive examinations. Question and answer series 47. First question is energy flow in ecosystem is, and the options are unidirectional, bidirectional, multidirectional, and the last option is none. And the right answer is energy flow in ecosystem is unidirectional. Question number 2. The final stable community in an ecological succession is called and the options are final community, ultimate community, serial community, and the last option is climax community. And the right answer is climax community is the final stable community in an ecological succession. Question number 3. What is the animal symbol of WWF? World Wildlife Fund. And the options are red panda, giant panda, tiger, and the last option is kangaroo. And the right answer is giant panda is the animal symbol of WWF. Question number 4. The natural place of an organism or community is known as, and the options are niche, biome, habitat, and the last option is habit. And the right answer is habitat is the natural place of an organism or community. Question number 5. The variety among species and within species is classified as, and the options are diversity, deduction, reduction, and the last option is informatics. And the right answer is variety among species and within species is classified as diversity. Question number 6. What are the 3 R's to save the environment? And the options are reduce, recycle, reuse. Option B, replenish, reduce, reuse. Option C, reconstruct, recycle, reduce. And the last option is reduce, recycle, remove. And the right answer is reduce, recycle, reuse are the 3 R's to save the environment. Question number 7. Noise is measured in, and the options are joule, decibel, hertz, and the last option is zone. And the right answer is noise is measured in decibel. Question number 8. Which is renewable, exhaustible, natural energy resource? And the options are coal, petroleum, kerosene, biomass. And the right answer is biomass is the renewable, exhaustible, natural energy resource. Question number 9. Plants growing under direct sunlight are known as, and the options are heliophytes, zeophytes, psammophytes, and the last option is dicots. And the right answer is plants growing under direct sunlight are known as heliophytes. Question number 10. Plants growing under shade are known as, and the options are heliophytes, zeophytes, psammophytes, and the last option is monocots. And the right answer is plants growing under shade are known as zeophytes. Question number 11. Which of the following requires maximum energy? And the options are secondary consumer, decomposer, primary consumer, and the last option is primary producer. And the right answer is primary producer requires maximum energy. Question number 12. Lincoln index measures, and the options are population mortality rate, population natality rate, population density, and the last option is population size. And the right answer is it measures population size. Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of a terrestrial ecosystem? And the options are oceans, river, grassland, and the last option is pond. And the right answer is grassland is an example of a terrestrial ecosystem. Question number 14. Most impure form of natural water is, and the options are river water, lake water, sea water, and the last option is rainwater. And the right answer is sea water. Question number 15. Which among the following is the most stable ecosystem? And the options are forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, marine ecosystem, and the last option is grassland ecosystem. And the right answer is marine ecosystem is the most stable ecosystem. Question number 16. What is the full form of BOD? And the options are biochemical oxygen demand, biological oxygen demand. Option C is biometric oxygen demand. And the last option is biological oxygen deep water. And the right answer is biological oxygen demand is the full form of BOD. Question number 17. Acid rain mainly contains, and the options are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, both A and B, and the last option is hydrochloric acid. And the right answer is acid rain mainly contains sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Question number 18. Ramsar Convention is associated with the conservation of, and the options are wetlands, drylands, forest, and the last option is biofuels. And the right answer is it is associated with the conservation of wetlands. Question number 19. Global 500 Award is given for achievement in the field of, and the options are population control, movement against terrorism, movement against narcotics, and the last option is environmental protection. And the right answer is it is given in the field of environmental protection. Question number 20. Solar radiation plays the most important role in the, and the options are water cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, and the last option is oxygen cycle. And the right answer is it plays the most important role in water cycle. Thank you and support me by subscribing my channel.